Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy salsa avocado. This simple recipe is perfect for any occasion, whether you are hosting a party or just want a fresh snack. We will start by gathering our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a quick preparation. You will be amazed at how quickly this vibrant and flavorful dip comes together, making it a go-to recipe for your kitchen. Now, let's get our ingredients prepped. First, carefully cut your 3 ripe avocados in half and remove the pits. Next, finely dice 1 small white onion and 1 medium-sized tomato. For a little kick, mince 1 jalapeno, remembering to remove the seeds if you prefer less spice. Finally, chop about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. These precise cuts ensure a perfect texture for your salsa. With all your ingredients prepped, it is time to combine everything. Scoop the creamy avocado flesh into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Add your finely diced onion, tomato, and minced jalapeno. Stir in the freshly chopped cilantro and squeeze in the juice of 1 whole lime for a bright, zesty flavor. Now, gently mash the avocado with a fork to your preferred consistency, leaving some chunks for texture. The final step is to season your incredible salsa avocado to perfection. Start by adding about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Give it a good stir, then taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. You want that perfect balance of flavors. Serve your fresh salsa immediately with crispy tortilla chips or use it as a fantastic topping for tacos or grilled chicken. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.